welcome back to another episode of Los Angeles BFS. I am out here at Perris, California for my first ever kayak bass fishing tournament hosted by the ABA. My girlfriend came out with me. We're gonna camp overnight. I totally missed the pre-fishing, guys. There was just so much stuff I had to take care of in the morning. My 100 amp hour battery died, so it wouldn't even get charged anymore. So I went out and bought a Dakota Lithium. A Dakota Lithium, guys. Freaking expensive. Man, I hope it lasts me for the rest of my life. But yeah, I went out with my girlfriend. We're gonna set up camp at Lake Perris, and then we'll wake up at like 4:30 and get ready to start fishing in this tournament, guys. There's tons of pros, and I'm just a rookie here. I just want to have some fun and see what I could do. But all right, guys, I'll see you in the water. No, it's too early. To get through this line of vehicles. Gotta get inspected. Hopefully there's no water in my kayak. Gonna get turned around like I do every time I cast in. Alright guys, so it's 6:30 a.m. right now. Mine's ends at 7. I haven't even launched my kayak yet, and I gotta take a dump, so yeah, I'm probably gonna hit the water by 7, but hopefully I can still stay relevant in this competition and still catch the bass. See you on the water. That's a fish, got him. Fish on, guys. Yes. First fish of the tourney. Little squeaker. No, it's too short. Short, guys. It's too short. Nice fish. Thank you. Yeah. Fresh one. Oh yeah, guys. There he is, guys. Oh, fresh one. Got him. There we go. All right, guys. That's keeper number 2. $15.5. Buddy. GoPro, stop recording. Alright guys, so overall it was a pretty good first tournament for me. I didn't expect myself to place, honestly, but I think I'm in 13th place, guys. I'm pretty stoked. I was fishing next to a bunch of really good fishermen out there. Guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. I'm gonna head home. I'm tired. I'll see you guys.